There's the light before your eyes. When you're teary, are you happy? Then you feel it all. I am holding you when you feel it all. And feel it in your soul. Dig deep down in your soul. Look in your eyes. Are they tired? Are they weary? Have you been teary? Yes, every day. With a smile, with the gratitude and the love in my prayers, I am beautiful as I am magical as I am loving all I can. It's what I'm here to do. It's not to be weary, only weary. Sometimes get teary, but bring it in love. No, it's in love, not with anger, and not with fear, and not with worry and stress, and all that jazz that you know. Set it free. No only kindness, no only laughter, no only light. No, we're on a journey. No, we're in it. Together forever, for eternity, we are one. So come and have fun. Feel the light. Join in, you and I. Join in the circle. Hold your heart. Be of service. Be of service with the gracious, gracious heart.